If you're currently using your phone or you made some changes to your phone like Teams or whatever, and you realize that the colors look a bit different, like when I swipe from the top down here, you realize that my icons look kind of blue, and before they were mostly shown white or so forth. Or let's say you open up, for example, your calculator or something like that, and you start typing a bunch of number, you realize it's blue, but before it was white. This could be because you have like a color palette enabled. Right now, in order to disable this, if you don't want it, you can easily change it. So do a swipe up and go to your settings, go down to wallpaper and style. You want to tap on that, and you will see if you have the color palette there. So you will tap on color palette and you see if it's on or not. Now, as you can see, mine is on, and I have this color change set there with the blue or something like that. So you can simple switch between the ones that you will find, or you can go to basic and you can choose something. Otherwise, you can just simple toggle it off to disable it so it goes back. So you can see when it's enabled right before, it has those blue colors there, but when I simple toggle and off, it goes back to the white as it was before. So you just need to toggle it off and simple click and apply, and this will turn off the color palette, and you'll have your phone back to its normal color. So you know what, if I go back to, for example, my calculator, you will see that it looks like before, white numbers, etc. And you will see this between various applications that you're using on your phone, that the color palette will be back to normal, or let's say disabled. But that's how you easily go ahead and disable the color palette, guys. Really hope your phone is useful and hope it helps you if you're looking for this feature, and thanks for watching. See you next time, guys.